Hey guys, this is Gina here to do a quick review today on this adult size costume. This is the T-Rex blow up inflatable costume. And as you can see, actually it blows up pretty quickly. I would say within like 2 or 3 minutes. You just have to press button, and this is actually where it's coming from. You can hear it making the noise right there. The face is here. Head and the mouth are there, and it's just a zip up, really easy kind of a jumpsuit that you just walk into. And then of course you would wear your sneakers or whatever comfortable shoes that you want to walk around in, but this is a really fun costume. And oh, it does require, I think it's 4 AA batteries that are not included, so just FYI for that. And it's got the hands, just gonna put them through. So again, really fun costume. Hope that helps.